Finding the courage to change, finding a new way of life. When I wandered into the 12-step rooms, I wasn't sure what I was there for. I came because I wanted to support someone else who was a member of the beverage program. I could see that the 12 steps had a powerful impact, but I didn't understand why someone would continue to attend several meetings a week with long-time sobriety. I thought the 12 steps were a quick fix. I didn't understand the nature of addiction and codependency until I began trying to implement the 12-step principles into my life. I didn't realize what a raging codependent I was. I didn't know that there was a different way to think, behave, or react. I began by trying to learn detachment with love. It sounds like a great idea, but it turned out to be nearly impossible for me to do. Slowly, I realized my habit of isolating and withdrawing was not the same as detachment with love. I didn't have a model of healthy detachment. I couldn't wrap my mind around it. One day I realized that the patterns I had learned in childhood were deeply programmed. The operating system that I had was full of bugs, Trojan horses, and logic loops. I was reacting all the time, all day, every day, in an unhealthy, codependent way. It had taken a lifetime to get to where I was. I realized that it would take a lifetime to get to where I wanted to be. Whole, healthy, my best self, all day, every day. The 12 steps are the foundation for a new way of life. When I take them every day, my life gets better and better.